Hey there! Welcome to this video where we'll dive into beekeeping and why it's awesome. Beekeeping has been around for ages. Besides getting that tasty honey, bees help big time with pollinating plants and crops. So why get into beekeeping? First off, it's a great way to make some cash by selling honey and other cool bee products like wax and propolis. Wax can be used in candles and cosmetics, and propolis has tons of medicinal uses. Plus, it's super satisfying to know you're producing this all-natural stuff. And let's not forget, beekeeping is good for the environment. Bees help pollinate plants, leading to better fruit and veggie production. So, if you're looking for a project that mixes making money with doing good for nature, beekeeping is the way to go. Stick around for more videos where we break down how to get started and succeed in this sweet gig. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching.